Deep in the suburban wilderness, the elusive father is on the move, hungry, slightly annoyed, and burdened with just a little bit more to finish on the remodel, before the family drags him to dinner. But first, he must dress for battle. Behold, the ceremonial garments of his kind, a tropical shirt bearing the noble jeep and majestic duck, shorts with the power of ocean waves and bargain bin pricing, hey dude shoes, chosen not for speed but for vibes, and the piece de resistance, custom socks bearing the face of his grandson, a symbol of legacy, pride and unmatched drip. Now armed, he prepares to unleash his most powerful weapon, the call of the dad.
Hey! Come here, I need your help for a second!
A call passed from generation to generation. Simple, echoing, impossible to ignore, and as always, it falls upon deaf ears. Nevertheless, he persists.